Apisi mar Jagaa bajet ma pacho ka oramo ni gibiro medo luwo chik motenore kod wach omenda mag jolo weche mag somo manyaka sani pod oketi e lwet piny owacho mamalo ma ok mano ma 10 counties. Kanoduoko penjo nyim kamati mar od bura mochung' ne weche mag bajet Mombasa, jalup jakom e afisi mar Jagaa bajet Stephen Masha onyiso kamati no ni kopogore kod luwo chik mantiere, gibiro neno ni omenda mag jopiny itiyo godo kaluwore gi kaka chik tiyo.
Issuance of bursary is a reserve of the counties, while the courts made a decision just yesterday, the other day, that bursaries are a reserve of the national government. And your office, as the controller of budget, still insists that it is a reserve. And the constitution is also clear that primary, secondary to university is a national function, the provision for education. So therefore, what is your stand still on this?
My concern is about the public debt exceeding the authorized limit, because the parliament had passed at 55%, and I can see it has risen up to 67%. I would like to understand at whose authority did it pass and what are the repercussions?
Interpretation of Schedule 4 of the Constitution, this function on bursaries is vested particularly for secondary and university education, where largely we apply our bursaries, is a preserve of the national government. It's a function assigned to the national government. And from that, the court ruled in the favor of the petitioners. So there's an option, of course, to appeal. But at the moment, until maybe an appeal is lodged and the court issues a different directions,